Good morning, it is Monday and I'm starting a new week of what I packed for our lunches for work. So today I am getting ready to pack Matt's lunch cooler up. He does have a work meeting breakfast thing, which if you've been watching my lunch videos for a while, he has those once in a while. It's like a quarterly, I think, 4 times a year, 5 times a year, something like that. Breakfast where they have like coffee and juice and bagels and fruit and pastries and stuff like that. So on those days, which fall again 4 or 5 times a year, I just pack a little bit lighter, meaning just less snacks or maybe less carbs. But anyways, I'm giving him a Dole pineapple juice, a grape crush, and of course the water cooler. I've got the 6-compartment Yum box packed up, so I gave him some red, orange, and yellow little cherry tomatoes, some broccoli with ranch, which are 2 of his favorite things to dip in ranch, some sliced, this is a Cracker Barrel sharp extra reserve cheddar, so I just sliced some cheddar up off the brick, put some of these flips, let me show you guys, garlic and herb pretzel crackers. I actually purposely took some of the ones that were already broken because they fit a little bit easier, so I grabbed those. This is some pepperoni or salami from Aldi. It's just like a smoked salami. I've got raspberries and blueberries in here, and then the ranch to dip like I mentioned. And I did throw a cupcake in here. My son made cupcakes yesterday. I'm just gonna fix this, it's bothering me. So I'm gonna give him one of these little cupcakes. This should be plenty because he's having that breakfast thing, and then I might throw in maybe like a granola bar or something. I'll ask him, but this is what he's having today. I'll see you guys when I get home on lunch. I'm probably gonna have leftovers or throw something together. Good morning, guys. It's Tuesday and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a Dole pineapple juice, one of the Coke Zeros, and I decided to break out the Yum box again. So I've got celery, some yellow, orange, and red tomatoes, ranch to dip, some cotton candy grapes from Aldi with a few blueberries kind of mixed in there, some of that hard salami from Aldi as well, and then these are cheese roll-ups with hard salami, pepperoni, and prosciutto. Also purchased them at Aldi. I'm pretty sure by now you guys have already seen these in my grocery haul since this video is coming out after. So that is his lunch, main lunch today. Also giving him a cupcake. It looks kind of messy because I dropped it in there and some of the frosting smeared, but it's just a better way to keep the cupcake upright than putting it in a bag. And then I'm also giving him, these are from Aldi as well, the sliced apples and peanut butter, and the peanut butter is on top, and it's got the apples on the bottom. They also had Granny Smith apples, but I decided to go with these instead. So this is what he's having today, and I will see you later. Good morning. I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a Dole pineapple juice and the grape crush. I made a salad today. So this is a bed of baby spinach and arugula, and then on top I decided to use one of these Starkist tuna creations in the herb and garlic. It's got 16 grams of protein in there. So I put the tuna down the middle, and then on the side I've got like tomato, cucumber, cheese, onion, and then some pepper. And then I've got some ranch in this little Sistema container here. The lid for this is underneath. Some of the sliced apples and peanut butter from Aldi. He said these were really good. And also these like little cheese meat roll-ups from Aldi. Salami, pepperoni, and prosciutto, and he said these were really good as well. And then also at Aldi I got these Fit and Active protein meal bar in the chocolate peanut butter. Matt actually ate one last night and said they were really good. So Aldi for the win this week with the snacks. Definitely going to try some different varieties of their different bars as well, and kind of look a little bit closer at their snacks because Matt seems happy with all of them. So this is what he is taking today. Hopefully this tuna creations is good. I bought a couple of them like last month and totally forgot about them. So hopefully, you know, he likes it, and we will see you guys later. Good morning. It is Thursday, Halloween morning, and I'm getting ready to pack Matt's work cooler up. I am doing the Yum Box once again. I go through phases with this Yum Box. Sometimes I am heavy on it, and other times I just don't pull it out. So it really depends on the day. I've gotten a lot of questions on these Yum Boxes over the years, like the main one being, are they easy to clean? So the clear part is actually an insert, and you can put it right in the top rack of the dishwasher. Of course, you can also hand wash it, and the shell I prefer to hand wash because that seal is really tight and I don't want to do anything to jeopardize that. So I'm giving him a Dole pineapple juice and a lemon lime Sprite Zero. And of course, as always, he has his water cooler every single day, year round. So I've got a couple snacks here on the side, and in the actual Yum Box here, I've got some celery here and ranch to dip, some little Reese mini little candies, Reese PC cups with the Reese PC candy in them. So I just tucked 2 into this little corner slot. I've got some cotton candy grapes, some raspberries, and some blueberries in the top corner, some of these roll-ups in the other corner on top, and then below I have some hard salami, all from Aldi. I actually have my son's Halloween party to go to today. His school has early dismissal, so I'm going to run home on lunch and heat up some leftover chili. I'm also giving Matt this protein meal bar and some fruit snacks, and I will show you guys the chili when I come home on lunch break. Hey guys, I'm home on lunch. It's Thursday, and I'm going to scarf this leftover chili down. As you can see, I reheated it, just put a little bit of shredded sharp cheddar, and I'm going to have one of these homemade bars my mom made. They're like an oat nut jam bar. I don't really know the name of them, but I'm going to scarf this down, and then I'm off to Grady's school Halloween party, and he is being dismissed early, and I'll see you tomorrow. Quick clip of Friday's lunch. My husband was working close to the house, and as you all know, I was off on Friday, and we had some sandwiches on this ciabatta bread with cherry tomatoes, some chips. The sandwiches were buffalo chicken, some arugula. Matt had cheese, I didn't, and we had like a sandwich spread. Thank you so much for watching this week's lunch video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.